Here is the trend: many people are moving from 9 to 6 jobs to making money from internet. The cool thing about making money online is you will have control over your time and income. Ultimately, you want to have more free time to be with your loved ones and the freedom to do things that you like. Another good news: most of the make money online strategies are actually simple. You don't need to have good grades in schools, good postgraduate certificates or years of professional experiences to start making money online. However, you need to understand that your online income takes time to grow. You need to be willing to sacrifice some time and energy when you first start out. Stick to one plan and do it every day, in consistent basis. Have no idea what to do yet? In this video I will share the top 5 ways that most people do, and they almost guarantee you consistent income if you really walk through it. Best of all, they require low to zero cost to start with. Number 1, Google AdSense. Do you realize that you see Google ads in most of the websites that you browse every day? The ads are almost everywhere in the virtual world for a good reason. It is easy to set up and they can provide you consistent income when you are able to bring in steady amount of traffic to visit your website. You don't have to sell anything in your website. All you need to do is provide free information that many people are searching in your website. When Google ads appear in your web page and your visitors are interested on the information, they will click on the link. From there, Google pays you about 50 cents to a few dollars per click, depending the quality of your traffic. How to get started? Easy. Just sign up a free Google AdSense account. From your account, copy the unique code and paste it onto your website. Google takes it from there, tracking your page views, traffic, and earnings on your behalf. There is no upkeep or maintenance to get this thing going, which makes it a no-brainer if you have a website already. Number 2, affiliate marketing. What is affiliate marketing? It is selling other people's products and earn a certain amount of commissions. The products could be digital products like series of training courses, softwares, e-books, audiobooks, audio training, music, etc., or it could be physical products like most of the products sold in Amazon and eBay. One good thing about affiliate marketing is you don't have to own a product to sell, handling customer services or managing shipping and delivering of products. All you need to do is sign up free accounts from affiliate marketing platforms like ClickBank, JVZoo and Warrior Plus for digital products, and Amazon or eBay for physical products. Then, you will be provided with your own unique affiliate link. Next, you can write a product review in your blog or website and recommend it to your visitors. If your visitors buy the products through your affiliate link, you will earn certain percentage of commissions, varying from 5% to even up to 100%. Number 3, online courses. Do you have certain skills and hobbies that you can teach others and give great values to your students? If yes, you can go to this category. This is where you can turn your hobbies into income at very low to zero cost. You can produce series of training like photography, graphic design, using certain softwares like Photoshop or Microsoft Office, cooking, gardening, golfing, parenting, weight loss training, etc. The courses can be in many forms like ebook, videos or audios. Then you can sell your courses in many places like Udemy and Teachable.com, where there are thousands of hungry buyers looking for your courses. Number 4, freelancing. Do you have certain services or skills that you can sell? If yes, you can hop into this multi-million-dollar industry. There are many companies or individual business people looking to outsource some jobs that they don't have time, resources or effort to put in to do their own. They want someone to write articles, do marketing research, design graphics, do data entry jobs, write and send emails, manage their events, websites, Facebook fan page or groups, Twitter accounts, Pinterest accounts, etc. There are so many services and skills that you can provide as long as you are creative and passionate to do it. Again, this method is almost low to zero cost involved. You can make a few $100s to a few $1,000s per work. There are many reputable freelancing websites that you can sell your skills like Upwork.com, Freelancer.com, Elance.com and Fiverr.com. Some of them may charge monthly fee, but most of them charge some small percentage of fee from each work that is assigned to you. Number 5, YouTube. YouTube is another great platform that you can utilize to give you extra income. There are a ton of YouTube channels out there on any topic if you can think of, and most of the people with a big following are earning some money in exchange for their videos and time. You can start making money via YouTube using the platform's own ad network or by getting sponsored posts. If you like doing videos, starting a YouTube channel can be a fun way to earn some cash on the side. That's all for this